This is very interesting. Now valuation is getting connected with project management. So value is not just calculation. It depends on how the project is executed also.
Exactly. This is a very practical dimension. In real estate and infrastructure, project execution directly impacts valuation.
Let's start from life cycle. How does it affect value?
Every stage influences value. Feasibility determines viability. Design impacts cost and utility. Procurement affects cost efficiency. Construction, execution risk. And post-completion, performance and maintenance.
So valuation changes at each stage.
Yes, valuation is dynamic across life cycle. Time management looks critical here, very critical. CPM or PERT, tools for planning. Delays, reduce value. Liquidated damages, financial impact. Acceleration, extra cost.
So delay directly reduces valuation.
Yes, because future cash flows get postponed. Now cost side. This is your strong area also. Budgeting, base estimate. Value engineering, optimize cost. Cost overruns, reduce returns. Contingency, risk buffer. Financial control, discipline. Cost overrun means valuation impact. Direct negative impact. Profitability reduces. This seems very broad. Risk identification, risk assessment, mitigation strategies, insurance, disputes handling. So risk is adjusted in valuation. Yes, through discount rates and contingencies. Quality also affects value. Absolutely. Compliance, NBC, BIS, RADA, QA/QC processes, defects impact, life cycle value. So better quality equals higher value. Yes, especially long-term value. What is valuer's role in all this? Project assessment, cost validation, risk adjustment, DCF impact analysis, strategic advisory.
So valuer is not just calculator.
No, valuer is a decision advisor.
So project value depends on life cycle stage, time efficiency, cost control, risk management, quality standards, and professional judgment.
Perfect.
Now I see clearly. Valuation is connected with execution reality.
Exactly.
A project is only as valuable as its ability to be completed efficiently and perform as expected.